Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at Bit Trading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the short position that we are in and the price predictions we have for that short, and we're also going to take a look at future price levels that I'm interested in trading to help you guys profit off of these price movements. So if that sounds interesting, smash that like button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload, and make sure you watch this video up until the end because like I said, I'm going to give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these price movements. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So like I said, okay, I am in a short position, okay, and I did give this short position to you guys here on YouTube last Friday, okay, not the Friday that's just been, the Friday before that, okay. And if we actually come and take a look at that video, okay, as you can see very clearly here, okay, I was walking you through the steps in this video and I was telling you, okay, coming into the GP we are looking bearish, okay, so it is an acceptable short. However, I would just like to see this liquidity being swept up here. Once that liquidity gets swept, okay, and I'm happy that we get a confirmed SFP, then I'm looking to short, okay, and that's exactly what happened, okay, exactly what I was saying in that video, okay, occurred, okay. What did we see? Well, we saw the price coming into that GP looking bearish, okay, and what happened after that? Well, we swept that liquidity perfectly, okay, and then we got this big move towards the downside, okay, and as this price was continuing towards the downside, I was updating you on the price levels that I was interested in seeing the price come to, okay. This is another video, okay, this is a video from the 9th of October, okay. In this video I was telling you guys, yes, okay, we've had this pullback, but I'm still expecting lower, okay. I was saying, I'm still expecting 27,000. This was the target down here that I had, okay, and I was saying in this video, you can go back and watch this video, I was telling everybody in that video that I was expecting lower prices. What did we get? Well, we got lower prices and we hit 27,000 as I was expecting it to, okay. So of course, we made some really nice profits, okay. This of course was the short that I gave to my Visionary members over on the Visionary Discord, okay. This was, in the time when I was taking the short, okay. I very clearly stated I am short, okay, local bearish CVD with bearish open interest, and of course we swept that liquidity from up there as well. So I gave my members, okay, the short setup, okay, and they can follow along if they like, okay. But for me, I took this short position, I have made so much profit on this short position, okay, and some of the members would have made profits along with me as well. As you can see, over 325% in a profit. So if you want access to this Visionary Discord where I'm giving all of my trades away, live in the time, then make sure you click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading right here, okay, and you can gain access to that Visionary membership, and there will be 1 month free access, okay. So somewhere within this video there will be a code which will give you 1 month free access to the Visionary membership. So make sure you take advantage of that 1 month free access, okay, because you can just try it out, okay. If you don't like it, you don't have to continue with it. So yeah, make sure you take advantage of that. But like I said, I'm giving all of my trades away, okay, and they have been very profitable trades, okay. Try that 1 month free access and go through this Discord, okay. You can see how many successful trades we are giving away in this Discord, okay. It's very valuable information. But enough of that. Let's actually look at the data that we have at this time and see where we expect the price to go, and the future levels that we are interested in trading, okay, to hopefully make a an amazing trade like we have here, okay, this amazing short position, okay. So of course we entered that short. Price has had this pullback, okay, but what are we seeing right now, okay? Well, ever since around Wednesday, okay, we've actually seen Bitcoin just consolidate towards the upside, okay. Of course, what is this forming? Well, this is forming a bear flag, okay. We know bear flags to be bearish, okay, but they don't always break towards the downside, and we don't always get a big move towards the downside. We have to remember that, okay, but it can give us a slight indication on where we expect the price to go, okay. So the majority of the time they do break towards the downside and we do see lower prices, okay. So for me, if this does break towards the downside, then what am I expecting? Well, I'm expecting lower prices for Bitcoin. Now, does that mean that I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to 20,000 or 23,000, 24? No, okay. I don't expect Bitcoin to go that low as of yet, okay. Possibly it could, yes, but just because it breaks below the breaks out of the bear flag, it doesn't mean I'm looking for 25,000, I'm looking for 20,000, I'm looking for much lower price targets. No, okay. I'm just looking for lower locally, okay. Now, that local low that I would be looking for, if we do get that confirmed break towards the downside, okay, would be this low here at around 26,000 $26,500. Okay, that would be the first target that I have. Okay, if we break towards the downside. Now, if we come into this level and we still look bearish, then of course, okay, I'm going to look for lower prices, okay? And that's where we can start looking for $26,000, okay? But, you know, if we're actually coming down into this level and looking bullish, okay, then I could enter into a long. Why is that? Well, because $26,500, let's just mark it on the chart, is actually a key level for me. This is a level that I'm interested in taking a long from, okay? So like I said, if price breaks below the bear flag here, okay, breaks down out of the bear flag, okay, then I would be targeting $26,500, where from there I'm going to reevaluate, okay, like I reevaluated the price when we were coming up to the GP, okay, I was reevaluating, I was looking at the open interest, okay, I was looking at the CVD, and it was telling me that the price was looking bearish coming into this level, okay, so what did I do? Well, I started to look for a short position. I waited for everything to align, okay, and once all of the confirmation and the confluence aligned, then I fired in that short position, and that is how, you know, we made some amazing profits. As you can see, 325% in a profit, okay? So, you know, what I am doing is I'm waiting for all those confirmation factors, all the confluence factors, and then, you know, I can decide, is this enough for me to enter a trade? If it is, then I'm going to enter the trade. If it's not, okay, then I'm going to, in this instance, look for lower prices, okay? So I'm waiting to see if we're going to get the break towards the downside of the bear flag. If we do, okay, and we see lower prices and we see 26,500, then I'm going to reevaluate. Is price looking bullish? If it is, then we can enter into a nice long position from down there. But if it's not looking bullish, okay, what am I doing? Well, I'm looking for lower prices, okay? I would be looking for 26,500 to be broken, okay? And then I would actually be targeting 26,000, okay, all the way down here, okay? Approximately 26,000 all the way down here. That's where I would be targeting, okay, 25,972 to be exact, but that would be the next target that I have if we break 26,500, okay? Now, yeah, that is the bearish scenario that I see. Well, the bearish scenario going into the bullish scenario, okay, of course, and then the bearish scenario, which could possibly go even more bearish if we don't look bullish at this level, okay? So, you know, those are you know, two scenarios that I'm looking at this moment in time, okay, because we are forming this bear flag, and they do tend to break towards the downside. But like I said earlier, okay, they don't always break towards the downside. Yes, there is a possibility that we can break towards the upside, and if we break towards the upside, I'm happy to say that we can look for lower prices, okay? So right now, where am I sat, okay? Well, I'm sat short, okay? We've entered into a really nice short position up here, okay? Price has had this decline, okay? And then actually started to form bearish price action, okay? So right now, I'm still short and chill. I'm still sitting on this short position, okay? I'm just waiting for price to give me, you know, new indications on what I should be doing, okay? So if it breaks below this, okay, then I'm looking to hold that short to this low that we made here, okay? From there, okay, like I said, if we're looking bullish, we can enter into a long, okay? If we're not looking bullish, then we can look for lower prices, okay? And we can continue to yield some amazing profits off of that short position, okay? But for me, okay, as I said, I'm just remaining short and chill right now, okay? Now, does this mean that you can enter into a short position? Personally, for me, no, okay? The short position was from up here. This was the short that you wanted to enter, okay? Now, yes, locally there may have been a short here, okay? There may have been a short of these highs, okay? But the original short was back here. This was the short that we had to enter into to actually take advantage, full advantage of this big movement towards the downside. And as you can see, you know, we actually shorted the top here, okay? We shorted this top previously, okay? Obviously, I did this in the Visionary Discord, okay? I told my team, okay, that I was shorting this in the Visionary Discord. Where was this? Yeah, this was this short right here, okay? We shorted this, okay? Price had a retracement back up to that GP, and then we got the continuation lower, okay? So we actually shorted the original top, okay? Move the stop loss to entry, okay? That got stopped out because the stop loss was at entry, okay? And then we re-entered into that short, okay? So we shorted the high here, we shorted the high here. Those are the shorts that you wanted to be in to take full advantage of these price movements towards the downside. So right now, you know, I'm not looking at shorting, okay? I'm already in that short, and I'm just holding on to that short. Now, a lot of people trade that like this, okay? They trade breakouts of, you know, bear flags and bull flags, okay? Personally, for me, I don't trade like this, okay? Because I already tend to be in a trade from up here, like we have here. And I've proven it so many times on this channel, okay? We form a bear flag or a bull flag, but I'm already in a short or a long position, okay? I've proven it to you so many times. Just go back, take a look at previous videos, okay? And, you know, the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in those videos, okay? But for me, I'm not looking to short this break towards the downside. I'm already in a short, okay? So I'm going to just ride that short if we do get a continuation towards the downside, okay? So for me, right now, like I said, short and chill, just waiting for something to happen. There is no trade in here right now. There is no trade. Yes, there's possibly a trade from the high up here, okay, locally. But for me, there is no trade right now. We just have to wait and see whether price breaks towards the downside or whether price breaks towards the upside, okay? And then we can reevaluate the situation, okay? We can look at new levels that we could possibly trade, okay? So that's everything I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, smash that thumbs up button, and remember, take advantage of that 1 month free access to that Visionary Discord. Code was somewhere within this video. So thank you very much for watching, team. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. See you later. Goodbye.